What if you could buy your next home before selling your current one?
For many homeowners, that's absolutely possible with the right plan.
The biggest mistake people make is waiting until they find their dream home to figure out the financing.
The best homes don't wait. Even in today's market, when a great home becomes available, we still see multiple offers. Be ready.
If you want the best house, you have to be ready before it hits the market. That's why your lender and realtor should be working together before you ever write an offer. We build the strategy first, so when the right home comes along, you're ready to move fast and write a strong offer. Sometimes the simplest solution is qualifying for both mortgage payments at the same time. Many buyers are surprised they can actually do that. If that's an option, it gives you the flexibility to buy your new home first and then sell your current home on your own timeline. Another option is you can use the equity in your current home. If you need the equity from your current home to buy the next home, then we have several options.
So I think a really strong option is a short-term HELOC, and it might be the right fit.
Or a bridge loan might make more sense. It really depends on your goals, your finances, and your timing. Let's say you find the perfect home today, but you need the equity from your current home to close. One strategy is to list your current home as soon as your offer is accepted. A bridge loan can serve as a backup if your home doesn't sell before your purchase closes, giving you extra flexibility and a peace of mind. But if you want to move first, that's a different option.
So a lot of homeowners I find is they don't want to list their house until they've found the perfect home and already moved.
That's possible too. If you'd rather move first, we'll usually look at one of these three options. Either qualifying with both mortgage payments, using a short-term HELOC, or using a bridge loan so that you can buy first, move in, and then sell your current home after you're settled.
So this is one reason I think buyers love this option. So I think about how much easier it is and how much life is easier when your home is completely empty. So we can professionally stage it, take beautiful photos, schedule showings anytime without the hassles of everyday life. And every buyer gets to see your home at its absolute best.
Yeah, you're not scrambling to clean the house before every showing. You're not loading up your kids, the dogs, and heading out the door at a moment's notice. Your family gets to settle into your new home while we prepare your current one to make the best first impression possible. Here's something many buyers don't realize. If you close anytime in, let's say, August, your first mortgage payment isn't due until October 1st. That gives your realtor valuable time to get your home listed, marketed, and sold before your first payment even comes due.
So one thing I'll say with that option, which I think is a fantastic one, it's all about pricing your home and what the data shows about your home. So we study comparable sales, today's competition, and what buyers are actually willing to pay. And that's how we price your home to sell. But marketing your home, that's all about emotion. You've bought your home for a reason. Maybe it was the kitchen everyone gathered for holidays, the backyard where your kids learned to ride a bike, or the porch where you drank your morning coffee. So our job is to tell that specific story so buyers don't just see a home, they see an actual home. They picture it becoming their home.
That's why having the right team matters. I'm focused on building the right financing strategy while your realtor creates the right marketing strategy. Together, we're helping you buy with confidence and sell for the strongest price the market will support. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. Whether it's qualifying with both mortgage payments, using a HELOC, or a bridge loan, we'll help you understand every option and build a strategy around your goals and your timeline.
Your lender and realtor are working together from day one. You're in the best position to move quickly when the right home comes along.
The best move isn't just finding the perfect home. It's having the right strategy before you find it.
So don't start with the house. I'd say let's start with the strategy.
Doctors, you've probably heard about doctor loans since medical school. By the time you graduate, almost everyone is asking, where can I find a good doctor loan?
And the truth is, they're not always easy to find.
And even when you do find one, a lot of them just aren't that exciting. That's why I couldn't wait to share this one.
So what makes this one different, Jill?
Depending on the program and your qualifications, you may be able to finance up to 100% of your home's purchase price. You may be able to purchase homes with loan amounts up to $3 million on certain programs at 100% loan to value. You can avoid monthly mortgage insurance on all eligible loans, and for some borrowers, the program may provide more flexibility in how student loan payments are considered during qualification.
So what's the translation there, Jill?
Translation: stop assuming you have to wait. You didn't spend years in school and residency just to keep putting your life on hold.
So you spent years building your career. Now it's time to build your life.
Picture this. You finish a long shift, you pull into your own driveway, you walk into a home that's yours, a place to recharge, a place to build memories, and a place where all those years of sacrifice finally start to feel worth it.
And when you're ready to start looking, don't just start browsing homes. Let's start with the strategy.
That's where I come in. I'll help you understand exactly what you qualify for, explain all of your options, and build a finance strategy that fits your goals. No pressure, no sales pitch, just honest advice from someone who's helped medical professionals buy homes for more than 25 years.
So you've taken really great care of your future career.
Now let's help you build your future home. How could someone buy this house with $0 out of pocket? No, it's not a gimmick. It's all about knowing how to structure the deal. For buyers who qualify, we may be able to combine down payment assistance with seller-paid closing costs to dramatically reduce, sometimes even eliminate, the cash needed for closing. Most people think that they need tens of thousands of dollars in the bank before they can buy a home. And the truth is, what many buyers really need isn't more money, it's a better strategy. And that's where I come in. Every buyer's situation is different, and every offer can be structured differently. Before you decide to keep renting or put your home search on hold, let's have a conversation. A 10-minute phone call could completely change the way you think about buying your first home or your next home. So stop wondering if homeownership is possible. Let's find out. Call me, Jill Burt, with Victory Mortgage.